Hello and good morning, guys. Welcome to the live stream today. Thank you guys so much for joining up today. Man, I will say it was a pretty good Christmas weekend for me. I hope you guys all had a fantastic Christmas as well. And I hope you guys had a really nice time off. Sometimes it's good to, have the market close for a few days. I will say I was going a little bit bat crazy or stir crazy, I guess, as you could say. But I was kind of glad that when I saw the market open up today, and I did see some pretty good opportunities right out of the gate. So first off, we got to talk about Southwest Airlines as they're starting to fall off here. So we had some pretty bad flight cancellations over the weekend. I believe that the numbers are even getting crazier now, and they're saying more flight cancellations are ahead. So I don't know, sounds bad, but look at this. On Monday, Southwest cut 70% of their schedule, and they only plan to fly about a third of its schedule for the next several days. That sounds terrible. I mean, that is pretty bad, guys, to only fly a third of your schedule. I mean, that's pretty rough. That is pretty rough. I don't even know what to think. Don't even know what to think about that one, but wow. Okay. But yeah, there we go. Spies falling off. We have LUV falling down here at market open, making new lows. Just as expected with that bad news like that coming out. But that's terrible, guys. 70% of their flights have been canceled. And it's during all the holidays. Like, imagine that. You're trying to get back to work. You're trying to go see your family, and, it's just all shut down. That'd be terrible there, but yeah, I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas. Good morning, Jamie, Krish, Loot, Goose, and Peter. Says, I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and are going to have a happy start to the new year. Hell yeah, let's go. Let's have a happy start to that new year, Peter. But first off, it's the last Tuesday of 2022. So you know what? Let's kill it, guys. Let's run those Schedule D forms on the taxes up. Let's run those capital gain reports up, and let's end the year strong. That would be awesome. Actually, you might want to wait till the next year to start making gains at this point, but either way, I think it'll still be good here, though. SPY's right around 382. Watch out for that. We might be able to get a put play if we fall under 382. I think 382 might hold up, though. I mean, it's been a very big level here of support over the past few trading days. I mean, we've seen multiple bounces at 382. That's why we have it marked in purple. But I'm really waiting for a nice bounce up off of that, maybe intraday. The big move I'm waiting for, though, is a move down below here. But we'll have to see what happens over the next few minutes. We'll probably start consolidating, and we'll fall down a little bit later. Wow. Look at Disney falling off now again. Dang it, Disney. DraftKings. What about Apple? Apple's falling down a little bit too. I mean, what's happening here? Market's starting to sell back off. This is not good, guys. That SPY better hold at 382, or I'm going to be a little upset with Santa. We didn't ever get that Santa rally, guys. Like, what happened? What happened with that one? Hopefully we can move up here. It looks like, as we showed yesterday, the IWM has risen 83% of the time in December, or the Russell, so we'll have to see if it can get back. It has a long way to go green by the end of December now. Looks like it's going to go red this year. Damn. Yeah, the December 1st was all the way up at 188. Dang. We have to get a big recovery to go green. It can still happen, but man, I'm leaning to the downside today, guys. I hope that you guys are starting to lean down a little bit more as well. Look at SPY falling off. We have NVIDIA falling off to the downside, guys. This was my free day trade of the day. Make sure you check out NVIDIA. Let's go check it out on the hashtag day trading channel. We had it falling under 150.50. Look to scalp some puts, guys, and look at that. Right at open, we tank right below 150.50. And the puts are starting to be amazing, actually. There we go. Wow, Nvidia down below 150. That is a pretty bad move, guys. Right under 150 here. Wow, all the way down to 148. What a big dump off this morning on Nvidia. Dang it. That's not good for the overall market, guys. Look at that. Wow, that's a big drop. Big drop down. Apple looks rough too. Apple looks rough as well. And guys, that trend line on Apple, we cannot forget about the trend line. This trend line is awesome. We're finally breaking below the trend right here. And now we're going to fall off, in my opinion. So really watch Apple. I think it's going to be a big one. A fun one to watch as well. They're having some issues trying to change production. Over. Wow, that's cool. Alibaba's running up too. Up 4.23%. Wow. 4.23%. That's good. That's good to see, actually, compared to what's going on with Nvidia here. 147. Wow. SPY, though, all the way down to 381 even. Terrible drop out of the SPY. Dang, we fell under 382. We really had a big sell-off there. Hate to say it, guys, but it's not looking good here. Chris says Palantir to the downside. Let's see. Yeah, Palantir. Peter says QQQ 264 puts. Chris says ARKK below $30. It probably is gonna. Yeah, it's probably gonna fall under 30. Watch it for support, but wow. ARKK. Uh-oh. That's not looking good. Wow. Wow, that is actually pretty bad on ARKK, guys. I had to update people in the Discord with that one. Dang. It's a bad drop down there. ARKK, terrible. Tesla really started it for us today, though, didn't they? Wow, Tesla down to 116. It just continues to be an onslaught for Tesla here. Wow, that is awful. Elon, what are you going to do for us here? You're going to... Wow, Elon's going to have to give me more tax credits on a Tesla or something. Man, more tax credits? We need something. We need something, Elon. Help us out, please. Please, dear Lord, help us. Wow. Oh, wow. I'm going to try to take a picture of the market here. If I can. Why not, right? Take a good picture of the stocks. Let's declutter our QQQ a little bit here. I think we should do that, guys. What do you think? Yeah. ARKK looking rough here, though. Krish, I know Palantir's been so bad lately. It's been just like DraftKings. Almost just as bad. Almost. I think it's been worse, actually. Yeah, it's been worse than DraftKings, so we'll just have to stay with worse for now. But wow, Tesla. Brutal year for you, Tessie. Let me get this off of here. All right, there we go. That looks like it's perfect for a picture, right? Perfect for a picture. My picture taking skills is rough, guys. I'm gonna take a picture for good old Instagram here of Tesla falling off the board. Go check it out. Tom_stocked up on Instagram and all of your favorite devices. Oh wow, there we go. Wow. That's a pretty rough drop though, guys. I mean, that really is insane. I can't believe what I'm even witnessing here on there. Peter says, "Wow, if Apple breaks 129.04, all hell will break loose." I know, Peter. I'm into Apple puts too, so we'll have to see how it goes. Man, remember me and Nathan? Where's Nathan at? Where's Nathan this morning? He needs to wake up. Where's Nathan? At Nathan. I'm gonna put him in Discord. That's insane, guys. While I wait for Nathan, I'm gonna go grab my morning monster. I made sure I stocked up, guys. I spent like $30 on this monster 20 pack. Nathan sold last week. Oh no, Nathan. I told you to hold those, Nathan. Darn it. Oh, Nathan. Dark Knight says you should try Celsius. It's healthier. Yeah, it is. I actually have tried it. I love Celsius. It's actually pretty good for being something pretty healthy. Yeah, I like Celsius. It's pretty good. It's just Monster's better. I hate to say it. It really does. I mean the shitty taste of it is good. I don't know. I hope that makes sense, but yeah, the crappy taste is yummy. No, it's actually just loaded up with so much bullshit. That's what makes it taste good. But it's good, you know. I enjoy my Monster, but I like Celsius too. You're right. I should try them. One big reason why I like Monster is that I'm a very skinny person, and a can of Monster has 230 calories. I'll take my calories wherever I can get them, okay? I'll take them anywhere I can get them. I weigh 135 pounds, and I go to the gym every single day, so I'm trying to, like, build up that weight. I need as much calories as I can get, but, yeah, Monster's probably, like, really bad for your heart, I guess. That it's bad for your heart, but... yeah, Celsius is good. I'll have to order some more. Gotta order some. I wish they'd sell it at like Walmart. Maybe they do. I just miss it. They might actually now that I don't know. Wow, Shopify though. Chris says, watch out for $30.50. Uh-oh, Chris. $30.50. Yeah, that's a big support, guys. Watch 30.50, watch $30 even. Anywhere right around there is huge. But yeah, 30.50, Chris, is a big level there. On Shopify. I bet we get down there soon again. I bet we fall back down there. Damn it. I gotta buy some more DraftKings soon with it going so low. Jeez. It's getting low, guys. We're talking low here. Uh-oh, Peter says Apple's at 129.50, guys. Not good. Oh, man, the sell-off is just continuing. Come on, Apple. Can these puts, like, start going up a little bit more? Like, come on, puts. Wow. That is crazy, guys. 129.50. Can't even believe that. Coin's making new lows, Chris says. Coinbase. Oh, no. It really is. I feel bad for the crypto guys who keep buying coin. Dang. That is a bad drop. That recent support around 40 has gotten destroyed, and we're almost down to 32 even now. Wow, that's terrible. Man. Hey, if you guys drink any energy drinks, let me know what you guys drink. I'd be interested to hear that. Let's hear what kind of energy drinks you guys are into. Or maybe you're just into good old coffee. You know, I will say I've been kind of thinking about getting a little coffee machine here recently. And I've also been thinking about getting a nice blender so I can make some really good smoothies. That'd be awesome, actually, making some smoothies. Now I'm gonna have to get a Costco membership to get all those fruits. Oh boy. Let's go see Costco today. Now you reminded me to go look at the retailers. Let's go see retail. Alright, not too bad on Walmart so far. What about Costco? Not bad, actually. Target? Target, not too bad. Not bad. Luku says coffee with plus L-theanine. Isn't that in, like, Monster? Uh, L-theanine. Maybe it's not in my Monster. There's a lot of L's in there, though. There's L-carnitine, L-tartrate. Oh, man. Uh, yeah, I don't know. That's cool, though. Plus L-theanine. That sounds like something that would go in Monster, Luke Goose. I'm not gonna lie. There's like 10 things I read on the label that sound just like that. But yeah, coffee probably be the way I'm gonna go, just because I think it's a little bit better for you. And it's, it's something that grows out of the ground. It's not made in a factory. Well, it is made in a factory, but you know what I'm saying. You should know what I'm saying. He says it chills you out, keeps the jitters away. Oh, okay. That's good, Loot. That's good. Peter says he drinks Bang, Rain, Monster, Ghost, Rip It, Red Bull, Venom, G Fuel. Man, that's everything, Peter. Uh-oh. Mike says the only thing I'm drinking is Jack Daniels after watching this market. Oh, shit. Don't be starting Jack at 8:50 in the morning, Mike. That would be insane, but yeah, this market has me dying for some Jack, too. I might turn into an alcoholic here by the end of the day if the market keeps up like this. Wow. That is rough, though. That's insane. SPY right around 380. Can't believe we're all the way back down now. I mean, earlier this morning we were sitting around like 383. I didn't think that, that how far are we in right now? I didn't think like 20 minutes in we'd be all the way down to 380, like a 3-point drop. It's not that crazy, but like, man, just we were actually moving up in pre-market. Like, what happened? Oh no, Krish. Don't go. No, I'm just kidding, Krish. Have a good day. Get some work done. Make that money. Get that grind on, Krish. Let's go. Have a great rest of your day. I hope you did well with some puts here today, Krish. Hope you did good. Earlier, Nick, I missed Nick's message. He said he saw the QQQ had momentum downward, so they just rode the SQQQ up. Not a bad idea there, Nick. SQQQ's been on fire. So is SPXS. Cornish has been doing pretty good on some of these. Yeah, that SQQQ is really good, though. Yeah, that's looking really nice today. Yeah, it's a nice recovery lately, actually. 40 all the way up to 55 now? Okay. Okay. Not bad. You guys got to see the GIF I replied to with Nathan on Discord. This has me laughing. Peter says SPY 375 end of day. SPY 370 end of week. 370 end of week? What? Peter. Peter, if the SPY's at 370 at the end of the week, I'll make a shrine, okay? I'll make a shrine to Peter if SPY's at 370 by the end of the week. And I'll present it to you guys at the live stream at the beginning of the year. If we're there. Oh. 375 end of day. If we got the 375 end of day, then I think that we would definitely hit 370 end of week. Wow. 375 end of day, that would be insane. But hey, I guess if we have a move like we did on Thursday, it could be 100% plausible. Could actually be very plausible. Yeah, that Tesla drop, guys, is insane. I got, how many red days in a row is this? Here, we gotta see. Because it's some pretty good momentum here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. So 7. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, that's insane. That is such like a jackknife when you look at it on the daily. Just like straight jackknife to the downside. It's like as quickly as Tesla went up is like as quickly as Tesla's having a big drop right here. It's kind of ironic actually. Man, I remember that run up like it was yesterday. It was beautiful. Just straight up beautiful on that move up with Tesla. So many people gain on that. I feel bad for the ones who didn't sell anything, but wow, for anyone who took any profits up there at the top, good for you. And hey, good for Elon. He took some profits up there too. Peter says, make sure I'm smiling when you make it. All right, I'll do that. I'll find a nice smiling picture of you, Peter. Here's what I'm gonna do, Peter. Oh, here I got an idea for you. Major League Jobu. Here, Peter. I'm gonna make something like this. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make this guy for you. Oh my gosh, in the movies? Man, this guy was so funny. We're gonna go watch the scene. Let's go see it. We're gonna watch it here. Major League Jobu. Scene. Here we go. Here we go. You guys are gonna love this, I think.
Para que me des el poder para conquistar el cuerpo. Te daré mi devoción para siempre poderoso.
¿Qué pasa there, Pedro?
Bats. They are sick. I cannot hit curveball. Straight ball, I hit it very much. Curveball, bats are afraid. I asked Jobu to come. Take fear from bats. I offered him cigar and rum. He will come.
You know, you
We need to make a Jobu for the stock market.
Christ as your savior instead of fooling around with all this stuff.
Shit, Harris.
Jesus. I like him very much. But he no help with curveball.
You trying to say Jesus Christ can't hit a curveball?
Okay, Harris, let's not start a holy war here.
Wouldn't leave that rum sitting around out here with this group.
He's very bad to steal Jobu's rum. He's very bad.
Yeah, that's funny though. That Jobu guy, that's what I'm gonna be making for you, Peter. Is Jobu. We need a Jobu for the market though, for real. Jobu needs to help the market wake up like his bat. Ah, no, it's not the Allstate guy. Mike says any whales getting calls on Tesla. Let me check it out. Let's go to the unusual options flow here. Let's go check it out. Slash. We'll go look at the flow. Tesla. Premium. We'll do 500K or higher for Tesla today. How about that? Oh man, there's so many. Okay. So on Tesla, there's a bunch of orders, like over 1 million. There's a couple over 2 million that are put into July 21st, 2023 puts. Wow, okay. Couple $2 million orders into those puts. It looks like most stuff is into the puts today by far, okay? I mean, by far. It looks like most guys are getting Tesla puts, Mike. And yeah, I would say, I mean, it looks like by these strikes and stuff, I mean, I'm seeing guys entering the 185 strike puts for Tesla today. Like, dang, I mean, it's probably, considering they're all on the same expiration, I bet that's actually all the same guy ordering those in blocks. $1 million block orders, actually, is what I bet is going on there. Let me throw this up on the screen so you guys can see it. Here's what I'm looking at here. I'm looking at these block orders where here on the July 21st, 2023 expiration, you can just see at 9:53 to 9:55, there was just order after order after order after order placed on that expiration. And you can see it was right around 1 million every time. 1 million, 1 million, 741K, 9 million, 794K, 1 million, 2 million, 2.9 million, 2.3 million. Like, I thought that was very interesting there. So I thought it's also interesting there were these calls going at these auctions. At the $90 strike, though. $90 strike for 2024. So this guy is getting calls way out there. Had some block orders. See, 516.78 thousand, 516.78 thousand again. There is actually some pretty big whale orders coming in here. Pretty big ones. Like I said, the majority are coming into these puts, though. The most recent things being placed were July 21st, 2023, 185 strikes again. That's another block of puts. More $2 million blocks of puts. Are they selling? They could be selling out from their previous position. Man, that's crazy, though. There's more blocks coming in. Okay. Very interesting, but... Okay. Gotta go back to the chart. Wow, Tesla new low of the day, guys. Down below 115. What is going on here? Happy Monday, I guess. I don't know what else to say. I feel bad. I don't want it to go down this bad, but wow. AAPL's really down. We're down to 129 even now. Like, what in the holy hell? What's going on here? Apple, we need some help, buddy. Apple, I need help. Wow, that's rough there. Let's go back to the bonus setups real quick. Pretty sure I posted this play in Discord. I had to have, right? Yeah. Yeah, Apple's recent break of that wedge is insane. That's actually pretty good. That's just such a good wedge, guys. Such a good wedge. And now you can see we're starting to fall off. It's playing out perfectly, guys. Perfect. What did we say last week, right? We kept saying that we were waiting for a move up. We were looking for rejection again right there. And we got it. We got our rejection. We're under 130. We are moving down. And there was a couple days last week to still enter into those puts if you didn't enter on the first breakdown. I know it's tough because you had to hold through those one or two green days, but man, all you had to do was just look at that, trust it, and trust the rejection. That's really all we had to do. Peter says, Tom, I bet they are selling against their shares, and it's Tuesday. Yeah, they very well could be selling against their shares. They could be. I'm hoping not, though. I'm hoping not. That's a lot of money going into those puts. Yeah, I mean, that's just a lot, Peter. I mean, we're talking on the July 21st, 2023, 185 strike. We are seeing, I mean, I'm seeing like $20 million go into this or something. Like, let me eye this up. I'm going to send it off to Mike real quick. He likes these things. Ha. I'll be like, Mike, what do you think? Wow. Let's see NVIDIA on the daily. Someone asked in Discord if they should keep holding it. Let's see. They are right down to support. Right around support anyways at 145. Sorry for that, guys. Had to help them out real quick in there. Or help them out is what I mean. Good old Nvidia, though. Good old Nvidia. That's actually pretty crazy, guys, to see all those block orders coming in. That is a lot of block orders on that Tesla. Let's go back to Tessie, actually. Wow, Luke Goose says Spy's breaking 380. I hope not, Loot. Looks like we're holding it right now. Wow. Wow. Gotta hold up. We gotta watch that movie Trading Places one of these days, guys. That'd be kind of fun. Good old Trading Places. Spy better hold 380 though, for real, Luke Goose. Man, these China stocks are actually really going today. Look at Baba running up. Some oil plays are moving, like Zom, Oxy. CVX is moving. Yeah, CVX. Not bad. Wow, Lockheed Martin, LMT, Caterpillar is up in the green, which is good. Wynn Casino's up. Go China if Wynn's gonna go. China usually helps Wynn and LVS move. That's pretty funny. MGM. Nope. Nothing too crazy from them. They're trying to run, though. Tell they're trying. Neo's really down, though. Check out Neo, Lucid Motors. Wow. DraftKings, Tesla. Damn it, DraftKings. That one really has me angry, guys. It's by far my biggest position, so. That sucks. Good job, DraftKings. How about Kraft? Is Kraft gonna make me happy? Oh, Kraft, you made me happy today. Kraft is just such a slow mover. I hope they don't start falling down too, then that would suck. Look at that. Actually, Kraft looks like they're going to start trying to break out. They're almost up to that big resistance around 41. Yeah, watch this one for a possible breakout. Could end up being pretty big there. Wow, Fastly bouncing around $7.50, right around 7.50. Not bad. 7.50. So far, though, I've seen a lot of good plays off to the downside, guys. Obviously, if you're winning today, you're probably playing puts. Unless you're playing, like, Baba, or something like that. Maybe GLD. Whoa, GLD looking frisky. There we go, GLD. Look at that daily. Wow. Very interesting. Very interesting. Hmm. Dang, that's trying to go up though. Come on, gold. Keep on running today. Get that momentum. I bet Southwest Airlines has no good momentum. Yeah. Falling off with all those cancellations. Oh, that was terrible. They canceled 70% of their flight schedule. That's a lot. That is a lot. Wow. New York representative elect admits lying about career in college. Really? What? Yeah, that's true. He said, I didn't graduate from any institution of higher learning. That's funny. He didn't want to say he didn't go to college. That's funny. That is funny, but huh. He said he went to college, but he didn't. Okay. It's not that bad, but I guess it would make people view you a little different. You know, I know some people have that feeling, you know, like if you don't go to college, you're dumb. You know, that's what I get. I feel like a lot of people think that. They really do. They feel like if you don't go to college, you're just dumb. Now that's not my thoughts. I'm kind of like Elon Musk on it, you know? Like it's a good college is a good thing, obviously, but I think that there's a lot of circumstances where maybe college isn't needed. Maybe you're just really like hardworking or something, you know, and you want to get out there and start your own stuff. Then I think college doesn't make sense. But, you know, to some people, it's a good thing. I know some people that, you know, they're not very proactive in doing stuff. So, you know, college helps them get going in life and stuff like that. And, you know, it can be helpful in that case. Plus, I mean, you know, to be like doctors and stuff, you got to know a lot of stuff. I think we're talking more like, you know, entrepreneur type stuff or business, you know, stuff like that. Obviously, though, getting an MBA would be awesome. You'd be looking real good in college then. Yeah, Dark Knight says college doesn't prove intelligence. Yeah, true that, Dark Knight. It definitely does not. I don't get why everyone says, you know, everyone makes such a big deal about the college, you know? I went to college for a couple years and then we started stocked up and I wasn't able to finish totally, but I got business management, like certificates and stuff like that. See, the thing I did, I took all the classes that are needed, but then I ended up not taking like the science class, for example, or like science or like labs or like stuff like that. You know, I took like bookkeeping and macro and microeconomics and you know, stuff like that, like our markets today and you know, like weird stuff. And I actually had to take something called world religions as well, where I learned about all the religions and like read their books, not all their books, but you know, parts of the books, and you know, got to learn about those too. I thought that was a very instructional thing people would like learning about world religions, I think. Unless you're anti-religious, but even if you are anti-religious, you might at least be interested in learning about it. I thought it was interesting, but I'm a history nerd, so I guess that's why I liked it. Hell, a lot of that stuff has to do with war. So, hey, if you guys are enjoying the stream, smash that like button. Let's run those numbers up. These are rookie numbers, as we used to say. Gotta love that. But hey, let me know what stocks you're watching. Let me know what you see having momentum here today, and we will check it out. For now, I'm going to go look at the bot, see what we're looking at here today. Looks like it's calling out Boeing calls, actually, right now. Boeing. Look at Boeing in the green. That's kind of interesting there. Okay. I'll take green out of Boeing any day. Keep on running, Boeing. Wow, you know what I just noticed is these the alerts for any subscribers I get or anything like that on here have been they've been lagging and they've been delayed actually, which is weird. And we have to fix those alerts. Yeah, I gotta fix those alerts, get these widgets going here. Interesting. Boeing looks good though, wow. Still though, a lot of momentum, breaking out above the high of this morning. There we go, Boeing. SM Bot's coming in clutch on that one. Let's go. Hell yeah, Dark Knight says history was his favorite subject too. There we go. I'm actually going to make a poll for it. Favorite subject in school. Math. English / writing. History. What else is there? Oh, science. That's right. We're only given 4. No, guys, gym class does not count as a subject. Come on now. Come on, though, Boeing. Let's go. Let's keep going. Come on. Wow, this is great, guys. Could have scalped this. Could have had a pretty nice scalp going on there. That's awesome. That's great, Boeing. Come on, yeah, keep breaking out. Let's go. That's actually pretty cool. Nice breakout there. Let's see here. Come on, keep going. Guys, is the stream alright? Is the stream alright or are we lagging here? Something, let me know if the stream's alright. Looks good, I guess. On my other screen, though, it shows that it's black, but I guess it's just having some issues keeping up with the video. Spy's looking good, though. Spy's actually recovering off 380, guys. I mean, it's actually holding up on 380 pretty well today. We're going to hide. We're going to touch 380. We're going to have a big turnaround here today. Real big turnaround. Look at that. Do we think we're going to go green or we think we're going to keep going here? Go green or fall back. The bot just called out Boeing again. More Boeing calls. Also called out Caterpillar calls. Yeah, Cat and Boeing are flying. And it called out Enphase puts. Ooh, Enphase. Oh, okay. So I asked Mike about those Tesla. I asked Mike in the chat real quick about those Tesla options there because it's a little hard to be on the stream and doing a full analyzation of it of Tesla here, but he went ahead and pulled it up. He found a lot of volume come in, and it looks like they're like scaling out now. Actually, scaling out some pretty dang good profits too. So, wow. Dang. It's pretty good though. It looks like they're scaling out of those Tesla puts. That's pretty insane though. That was a lot of money put into those Tesla puts, guys. I mean, not the most we've ever seen here, but quite a bit. Wow. Ha, Peter says he wants to see his statue. Yeah, 370 by the end of the week. Isn't that what it was, Peter? 370? It could still come. It could still come. Maybe we'll have another move like Thursday and just dip. A big dip move again. Hopefully not, but we probably will. You'll get your statue. I'll make you a statue anyways. No, I'm just kidding. It has to get there. It has to get there. This statue's going to be tough to make. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll just buy a Jobu statue and I'll just tape your face to him. That might be the way. If I could somehow get like a real cigar and like an actual shot glass, that would be funny. You guys eyeing up any good deals post Christmas here on any websites like Amazon or anything like that? I know there's been a lot of deals going on, and every time you go anywhere, before it was the Christmas sale, now it's the New Year sale, so sure there's something out there. Spy. How about Amazon stock though? Yeah, they fell down trying to recover. That Amazon stock looks pretty brutal on the daily, guys. Honestly, I'd be pretty worried right now about Amazon stock if I owned it. I mean, if I owned it down here at the bottom, I'd be happy, but depending on where I bought it, I'd be happy or sad. They kind of have a setup going on like Apple, where they fell out of a huge longer-term trend here recently. And I mean, like, when they fell out of it, it was pretty obvious that they fell below that trend there. There was obviously like a big area of support at 105, just tanked below that. And I kind of feel like Apple's in that same boat right now. It's starting to break the trend. I feel like we're gonna have a bigger move down eventually here. I'm thinking maybe like 120. Maybe something like that. Peter said it'd be epic. He says he'll warn me that what they were doing in that scene was voodoo. Voodoo? It's voodoo to worship Jobu? That's funny. I guess if that's voodoo, I've done voodoo myself, Peter. I don't know what to say. Oh, I've done voodoo before myself. No, I'm kidding. If that's voodoo, I guess I have. I don't know. Either way, I guess I'm going to be doing voodoo to your statue, Peter. I mean, hell, if I make a shrine and I pray to it, is that voodoo? That's kind of what they did. Voodoo. Jobu make bat come alive. At least I didn't play the scene where they were gonna be sacrificing the chicken. That's the funnier scene. Palantir at $6. Voodoo. That's funny. I don't know why voodoo always makes me laugh. There was something else Oh, here it is. Here's voodoo. Voodoo scope. Here's what I used to use voodoo with. Yeah, EOTech voodoo. That's it. Right here. This is what we used to always say it for. We'd be like, I'm grabbing the voodoo, guys. So it's an EOTech scope. If anyone's seen these. Pretty good scopes, actually, I'd say. A little expensive, obviously, but, you know, good scopes. Either way. Let's see good old LVS. Wow, still going up. Win. Yes, let's go. Win, LVS, MGM. What about K for Kellogg's? They usually do pretty well on days like this. It looks like they're doing pretty good. Going green, at least. Spy's hitting off 383 now. Man, that resistance is huge. Look at that resistance from Friday. It was like rejecting there all day long, right at that resistance. And now we're rejecting again right off of it. Is this where the SPY sinks? I'm really looking for a big break below 380, obviously. If we can get under there, I think we can find a bigger drop down. Mike says trade school is just as important for certain careers as a college degree. 100%, Mike. 100%. Yeah, those trade schools are actually pretty good. I've had some friends who went and got like HVAC certified at those schools. Also had some friends who became welders at schools like that. Ended up helping them out a lot. So, yeah, they can definitely be good. The good old trade schools is what I like to say. Yeah, the school I went to had a lot of stuff like that going on there. They would do, they had a lot of trade classes for construction and welding and all types of stuff like that. HVAC, plumbing, electrical stuff even. It's pretty cool. Hey, did you guys see this in last night's video, how we talked about this? The IRS is pausing the rule requiring you to report PayPal and Venmo transactions over $600, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so it looks like beginning next year, they were supposed to send tax forms, but it looks like they're not going to do it now. It says it'll be a transition period for the platforms. So, kind of cool. I thought that was cool to see. You know I've been worried about stuff like that. I always send money back and forth with my girlfriend on PayPal and, you know, stuff like that. We use Zelle, PayPal, different things like that. I even do, you know, Venmo with my buddies, like for golf and all types of stuff. So, cool that we don't have to worry about that now, at least. Thank God. Thank the Lord for that. That was just another thing that they were going to try to hit us with, right? Government's trying to keep us low, trying to push us down, but we need to step it up. Step it up for sure. All right, let's see. Go back to that SPY real quick. Uh-oh, falling back off. Falling back off. Let's get on to the... Let's Go back to that SM bot real quick, see what we got running. Wow, we have UAL calls. It's actually calling out calls on an airline. Okay. Wow, look at UAL, actually. That's funny. LUV or Southwest is selling off with their cancellations, but AAL is on fire. Or, I mean, UAL. United Airlines is on fire. That's funny. They really are going, though. It's cool. And we have Oxy calls being called out. Oxy and Zom calls. So check out these oil stocks, guys. Oil is looking good. Oxy and oil. There we go. Yeah, that's cool, though. Good job, oil. Oxy's going. Zom really moving up. There we go. Not bad moves today. We'll take it. Pretty good, actually. That's good to see. I know I talked about this in last night's video a little bit. Talked about oil and energy and stuff like that. I know the heat map was looking really good for energy last week. One of the only sectors really moving. Wow, the heat map today is not looking good. Lots of red. Yeah, we're actually getting a lot of red coming in. That's actually pretty rough there. But, wow. Yeah, hey, I appreciate you guys joining up, though. It's been a pretty good Monday. Pretty good stream. I think that we can start maybe making some better plays this week here on the market, especially if we see some good plays at the downside, you know. Keep watching the SPY today. Watch for a drop below 380. And guys, I really would say check out the Discord if you have not done so yet. We are working on a brand new bot, guys. It's called the Sniper Bot. Check it out. It's going to be awesome. We're going to have it coming out here in just a few weeks. At minimum a few weeks, probably a couple weeks, but it will be included with statistical modeling. Any current members will not have to pay anything extra, but it will be with statistical modeling. So you'll get the Sniper Bot, you'll get the bonus setups day trade, you'll get the hybrid plays day trade from the hybrid bot, you'll get the swings, premium selling, everything like that, all right there in one spot with statistical modeling. So check that out. I think that all of my day traders out there will really like the play on stat modeling there. I really do. I think you guys will love that. I think you'll love the Sniper Bot. It'll be awesome for my day traders. They'll love that. I sent a link here in the chat for anyone who wants to check that out. It will be coming out in just a couple of weeks, so get locked in. We'll have to see how it goes. If the Sniper Bot ends up being amazing, we will end up probably raising that price there. So you can get locked in though at the current price if you do it quick enough. But yeah, let's see. It calls out some plays. Right now it's in testing a little bit. We're back testing it, seeing how everything's going. We've been testing it for a couple weeks, so let's hope it does well, guys. I think you guys will love it, especially like I said, the day traders I think will really like this one, and the scalpers. So have a great day, guys. I'll see you in the Discord if you have any questions, but other than that, peace out. Have a great day. Let's make some profits, and let's end this year strong. Last Tuesday of 2022. Come on, let's get in the green. Make sure you check out those free day trades too. That NVIDIA play was amazing today. Have a good one, guys.